Coping with INFP mood swings. INFPs are usually happy-go-lucky fellas. They are the ones who cheer others up on a bad day, so it is unlikely for them to be always seen as moody. However, there are always low and high days, and even for INFPs who are masters at concealing their emotions, it is hard not to miss that something is off when they are stuck in a rut. How do INFPs cope with mood swings, and how can they restore their usual cheerful nature? This we shall see in a short while. Keep watching to learn more. INFPs can be very emotionally intense. They have been termed emotional sponges because they absorb other people's emotions, and sometimes they can't help it. Their emotional sensitivity is a rare gift that makes them a blessing and healer to others. But it comes with a price. When they are overwhelmed with a lot of emotions, it can lead INFPs to experience mood swings. This minute, they can be super excited about helping someone, and the next, they can burst into tears for seemingly no reason. To cope effectively with these mood fluctuations, it's crucial to understand their root causes. Here are 3 factors that can make INFPs experience mood changes. 1. Emotional sensitivity. Recall INFP stands for introverted, intuitive, feeling, perceiving. The feeling and perceptive nature of INFPs makes them highly attuned to the emotions within and around them and triggers positive and negative emotions. Idealism versus reality. INFPs have strong ideals that they hold closely to. When the truth they have believed for years negates the present realities, they can be conflicted and confused, disillusioning them. Overthinking. INFPs can overthink any tiny details, analyzing from different perspectives. Overthinking can cause self-doubt and anxiety, exacerbating mood swings if they dwell on the negatives. Coping strategies. 1. Understanding self. INFPs are very emotionally sensitive, idealistic, self-conscious, and analytical. Understanding these traits will help INFPs identify what triggers their mood swings and how to avoid them. 2. Journaling. Writing is therapy. Writing could be the best way to release pent-up emotions that you have been holding in. Plus, it helps you identify your thoughts, process your feelings, and identify triggers and typical pattern that leads to mood swings. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness helps you stay in tune and in touch with yourself to understand your affairs better and develop ways to master your emotions. Constant meditation enables you to be in control of your feelings and reduce the intensity of mood swings. 4. Creative expressions. Finding a creative outlet during a mood swing may be a way to fix that emotional pendulum in your mind. If you are INFP, try playing an instrument or painting during your next bout of mood swings. It would keep you at ease. 5. Encourage creative expression as a means of processing emotions. Whether through writing, painting, or playing a musical instrument, INFPs can find solace and catharsis in their creative outlets. 6. Protect your emotional well-being. Since INFPs are very sensitive, it is wise to guard their fragile emotional state carefully by avoiding toxic people, being too stressed or emotionally drained, and exposure to anything that could cause unnecessary mood swings.